Intro. Welcome to our review of the Q4 FY26 earnings for Groww. Let's dive straight into the numbers. Total income. The company reported a total income of 1535.54 crore rupees this quarter, with core revenue at 1505.37 crores and other income at 30.17 crores. This represents a solid 21.76% growth quarter-on-quarter and an impressive 80.74% jump year-on-year. Expenses. Total expenses for the quarter stood at 599.18 crore rupees. Employee benefit costs were 173.40 crores, while other expenses came in at 393.32 crores. The company is scaling its operations efficiently to support its massive user base. EBITDA. Operating performance remains robust with an EBITDA of 968.15 crore rupees. This is a 26.58% growth sequentially and 121.90% higher than last year. The EBITDA margin expanded to 64.31%, improving by 142 basis points quarter-on-quarter. PBT, profit before tax, landed at 935.70 crore rupees. This marks a 25.62% jump from the previous quarter and an exceptional 126.18% surge year-on-year. PAT, net profit for the quarter was a stellar 686.35 crore rupees. That's up 25.49% quarter-on-quarter and 122.05% year-on-year. This immense profitability translates to a very healthy PAT margin of 44.70%. EPS. The basic earnings per share stood at 1.11 rupees. This reflects a 24.72% sequential growth and a 94.74% rise compared to the exact same quarter. Summary. To wrap up, Groww delivered an outstanding quarter overall, with positive revenue momentum, strongly positive profit growth, and continuously expanding margins. The platform's rapid scale and cost control are clearly reflecting on its bottom line. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investments in the stock market are subject to market risks.